Hi guys, this is a YouTube channel Cook and Enjoy Recipes, and this is Dr. Jaskiran. Guys, today is a fun-filled day, as today I will tell you why. Because today we will cook pasta. So, with that, I have certain preparation to make pasta. So, for that, I have taken Chef's Basket durum wheat elbow pasta. Basically, durum is a type of wheat which is used to make ragi, or you can say it is used to make suji. So this pasta is so special. It doesn't contain any type of uh, uh, like maida. So it is made of durum wheat, that wheat that is used to make ragi, or you can say rava, or suji. So for that I have chinged secret. This is Szechuan chutney. ये चटनी नहीं रॉकेट है. So for that I have also Dr. Oetker's Fun Food pasta and pizza sauce. I have also seasoning. This is pasta and pizza seasoning, oregano and basil seasoning. And for that I have also some freshly cut vegetable like capsicum, 1 carrot, 2 small onion, 3 pods of garlic, and 1 large chili. And I have few kernels of corn too. And the corn I have taken is Buffett Garden Fresh Sweet Corn kernels. It contains no artificial colors, flavoring, or preservatives. So that is why I usually prefer this. So now let's cook. First of all, for that, grate all these vegetables all together in a grater. So let me grate, and then I will show you. So I have 3 types of gratings with me. I have grated garlic and onion all together, and this is here only. And this is the grating of capsicum and carrot. And this is we have taken 1 tomato, and I have taken out the seeds of the tomato. And we should add this at the end of when we are sorting the tadka. Just as if we don't have red capsicum, we can add red tomato in place of that, and that with the crunch in it, so that it looks like a red capsicum. So let me first of all put this into the oil. I have taken oil in the pan. Along with that I am putting garlic and onion mixture into it, and try to saute it lightly and not till the golden brown. Also add a little amount of salt, so that they might cook faster, and it will also imbibe a type of salt to the dish right from the starting stage. Now it has reached to a point, and I have also taken corn kernels into the water, so that they might come to the room temperature, because I have taken frozen kernels. So let me add all these. Also add this mixture. Saute. Saute so that the crunch would be maintained within the vegetables. Guys, I have taken pasta for boiling, and minded that you must add water 1 inches high to the level of the pasta that you have taken, and add a little amount of a pinch of salt to it, and a few drops of refined oil, so that they won't stick to each other, and they might be cooked properly and easily. And cook it with the lid gently, so that they might be cooked easily and quickly. And provided ensure that the water won't cross the sides of the container after boiling. When you cook anything with the lid on it, it will be cooked properly, and definitely your pasta will be. Guys, I have opened the wheels of the container, Dr. Oetker Fun Food pasta and pizza sauce. I have taken a fresh. This is a new packing, because my old packing was at all finished. And this is Szechuan chutney, dip, spread and cook. and I have also opened it. These are new ones. Tried it, tried to store it in a cool and dry place after opening the wheel. And this is also, these instructions are also written on over it. And try to take 1 teaspoon of one tablespoon of this Szechuan sauce and 1 tablespoon of this pizza pasta sauce into the pasta. Cook again. Try to dissolve it into the pasta so that the flavors of the sauces might be mixed with them properly. Now this is the appropriate time to add oregano seasoning to it. Add only a pinch of, otherwise it will taste bitter in the pasta. Don't forget to put 1 or 1 teaspoon large full of sugar into it along with the salt, because salt I have put in the starting of the preparation, and now it is the time to put sugar. And after adding the sugar, try to add small amount of water to it so that it might not get caramelized. Now this is the appropriate time to add tomatoes that just look like red capsicum, because we want to leave that crunch into that in order to look it as a red capsicum. So that is why I have added at the end of sauteing the food. This our pasta is properly cooked in no time. The way I will tell you, you will also follow that way in order to make your pasta faster. So let me filter it out with the help of collider. So by the time you just see the vegetables, the flavor, the color that is there in it. I have also added red Kashmiri red chili, a pinch of, or you can say 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili into it, so as to add the color to it, and it will add delight to the dish. So first of all, let me by using collider, let me filter or let me take out the pasta, and this is the final stage. Moreover, we will put the pasta into the vegetables in order to make pasta. Guys, the pasta just look like this after I have taken it out in a collider, and this is the appropriate time to put pasta into the vegetables, cooked vegetables. So let me first of all on the gas. Then flipping by using cut and fold method, try to imbibe and try to mix all these vegetables into the pasta, or you can say I will absorb all these vegetables and the flavor that is there into it, the pasta seasoning, the sauces into the pasta, so that it might taste delicious and sumptuous. This can be your evening dish, or you can say your supper dish as well, so that you can enjoy it with your family. And guys, I would tell you, if you have white sauce or mayonnaise, you can add mayonnaise into it in order to make it just slippery and soupy. And if you have a cheese or mozzarella cheese, you can add it on the seasoning in order to have a cheesy flavor. I don't have right now, so that is why I do not add. So this is my pasta. So now it is the time to plate it out. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Guys, plate it like this, and serve it as an evening snack, because this is an Italian dish, and eat it with your near and dear ones and enjoy. Like and subscribe. Thank you.